Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change your Hyundai Santa Fe wipers. It is a straightforward task that ensures clear visibility and safety on the road. Before you begin, make sure you have your new wiper blades ready. Also, place a soft towel or cloth on your windshield. This simple step protects your glass if a wiper arm accidentally snaps back. Now, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stays in the upright position. Now that your wiper arms are up, let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small latch or button. Press or slide this tab to unlock the blade from its hook-shaped attachment point. Once released, carefully slide the old blade downwards and off the wiper arm. Be gentle to avoid any sudden movements. Set the old blade aside, making sure it won't fall or scratch your car's paint. With the old blades removed, it is time to install your new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards into the hook until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Gently tug on the blade to double-check that it is firmly attached and will not come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm. You are almost done. Carefully lower both wiper arms back onto your Hyundai Santa Fe's windshield. Make sure they rest gently on the glass. Now, start your vehicle and turn on the windshield wipers to test them. Observe their performance closely. The new blades should move smoothly across the glass, clearing water efficiently without leaving any streaks or making excessive noise. If everything looks good, you have successfully changed your wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.